So how to make sure that your antivirus is literally running in background of your PC, because some of the softwares are like so much advanced nowadays. They trick your PC to think that the antivirus is enabled, but it's not. Literally, there are many of these softwares. So how can we check that antivirus is literally available at our PC? So first of all, I'll tell you two methods which are like everyone knows, but the third method is like no one knows it, and you will surely know that if there is any virus or not in your PC. Because if there's any virus in your PC, would be informing you, but that virus would not try, not help your PC to inform you that thing. So just go to task manager, go on startup apps, and go scroll down here. You can see here Microsoft Defender, it's enabled. So everyone knows this. There's no person who don't know these things, so it should be enabled here. Here you can, in settings, you can search virus and threat protection. Here everything is on. Okay, you can see this virus and threat protection. You can see small green tick mark here, virus and threat protection update. You can see a small tick mark and ransom protection also. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, we are gonna search windows powershell. Windows PowerShell. So you have to go in Windows PowerShell, and after going in it here, you will literally see your PC that is it literally uh, performing that security checks or not. So you have to go here and paste in this thing, get MP computers status. I'll put this thing in description. You'll just go to Windows PowerShell and paste this here. Okay, press enter, you'll see this screen. So there are two three things which you have to see. Okay, so first of all, you have to scroll a little bit down here and check this thing, anti-spyware signature last updated. So if your signature is not updated today, let's suppose it's not updated, wait until tomorrow, wait until next day. But if still the signature isn't getting updated, there's a problem in your PC. Okay, after that, antivirus enabled. Here you can see it's true, so obviously my antivirus is enabled. So these two things are like literally game changer for your PC. And after that, you can see here is tamper protection protected. Here it's true. If it's false, like your PC is cooked. And is virtual machine kya that is your PC running a virtual machine? Here it is false, so it's not running a virtual machine, or no one else is running a virtual machine via my PC. So uh, I am safe. So this is how you can check that is your virus, is your PC literally on antivirus, or it's just on steroids and showing you that it's on antivirus but it's not.